studio space. We're still finding our feet in here, but albeit I was so excited, I wanted to do my first haul in here, and it had to be a spring haul. Spring is one of my favorite seasons to dress for. It's where I feel like my wardrobe thrives. So I've actually had some new in pieces, which you can see here on the new rail, and a lot of these pieces are really good transitional staples, which I feel like we're probably looking towards putting into our wardrobe at the minute, styling items that you may already have, or looking to invest in new ones, like I said. So also from a lot of my favourite brands, which you'll be able to see. We've got new in pieces from Reiss, COS. We've got some really good staples from Ralph Lauren, Varley, which is really nice casual pieces. And then we've got some also elevated pieces. We've got Massimo Dutti. But it's best to film this video. We will be improving the quality. We will be getting a mic. The mic I ordered, I realised doesn't fit my camera. So bear with me, it's all going to be improved. The lighting, the sound, everything will be improved. There are a few more items to be added to the studio, but we'll finally get there. Because I've been working on this space for the past year. But I'm going to get straight into this video and show you what's new in my wardrobe. So I'm actually going to first start with the top that I'm wearing, because this is from COS. I absolutely love COS when it comes to spring. I feel like they just thrive, and I actually got my jeans last year, my barrel leg jeans. If you guys remember, I spoke about these and I wore them so much. I got them in the denim and I also got them in the white. I'll leave some pictures on the screen of me styling them so you can see, because I have noticed they are back in stock this year. Then I did find this golden find, which is this top with the scarf attached to it. So it's in this beautiful cream colour. I love the fit of it. I love that it's a little bit more loose. You can mix and match this with pretty much everything in your wardrobe. It's such a good basic and staple, but then it's elevated with having this scarf attached. You guys know I love my scarves at the minute. I have done a separate video on how to style them, which you can find over on my socials, over on my YouTube shorts. But you can see it is attached here. You can style this how you wish. If you just want to have it a little bit more loose in the middle, like I've got it today, you can have it to the side and you can play around with it. But I just think this is such a perfect way to elevate an outfit, and it really is all about how you style them. So another way I love to elevate and style my outfits is always with my jewellery. So I always tend to wear gold jewellery. I feel like it just works with my skin tone, and also obviously my ring is gold as well, so I do like to match. But if you've been stuck around for a while, you know a lot of my jewellery that I wear every day is from Monica Vinader, and I'm so excited to be working with them again this year. They are my favourite jewellery brand. I've been wearing and loving their pieces for years now, and it's just a testament of how long they last and how much I actually reuse and restyle them within my wardrobe and style them with my outfits to elevate them. And I will link everything down below for you, including a link which directs you to the website of just my own page of where all of my pieces that I've had throughout the years, so basically my jewellery collection, is all in one place so you can find it. And they have given me a 20% discount code. I know you guys like to use it, and it is such a good saving because this is an exclusive code. So I will leave it all linked down below so you can come back to it, and I'll leave it on the screen as well, because 20% off is such a good save when it comes to jewellery. The new in pieces that I've got I absolutely love, because as I was saying, they've really helped to elevate my looks, including these heirloom gold hoops, and I feel like these are perfect because they're not too big, they're not too small, they still make a statement, but you can wear them every day. And I feel like something subtle like this really does elevate a look. The reason Monica Vinader jewellery lasts me is because it is gold vermouth. I wanted to share this link bangle that I've been talking about. So I do actually have this in the thicker bangle, which is the link style, but this is the thinner one that they have recently launched with the diamonds going through it as well. So it's such a lovely contrast, and I've actually just styled it on its own today because usually I like to stack it. So on the other arm, these are some older pieces that I have that I wear every day, which is my tennis bracelet, and I feel like this is just such a staple in your jewelry collection. And this is one of their bangles as well, which I love, with just the one little diamond. Then to actually match the link bangle that I have, because I have it in the thicker and also the thin, I wanted to get the ring to match, which I thought was so beautiful. So I've actually just been wearing it here on my middle finger just to complement this hand and also match it with the bracelet. Then if you don't want to have such a minimal look and you like to wear a few pieces of jewellery, I sometimes like to wear a few on this hand and keep this one quite minimal. But this is a new ring that I've got, and I feel like you guys are going to love this because the colours in it are beautiful. This is the Siren gemstone ring, and I thought this would complement really well next to the link ring. So having these together, or you can even stack them, looks so beautiful. And the reason I loved this was because of the different colour gemstones running through it. And then because these are a little bit more dainty and delicate, if you do like a bit more of a statement when it comes to rings, I would then interchange it with this one, which is new in, and I thought this is beautiful coming into the spring summer as a statement on its own. And it is this gorgeous wrap ring, so you can see the detail in this, how it intertwines together. So I would actually wear this on its own, and obviously you can save 20% off with the discount code, which is such an amazing saving and also a great way to elevate your outfits. So as I've spoke about the top that I'm wearing, I also have to touch upon these jeans, because as you guys may know, I used to never be a jean girl, and now I've definitely been wearing them so much more because I found good quality ones that are actually comfortable, and that is such a key for me. If I'm going to have a staple in my wardrobe, I want to make sure I'm going to actually wear it, that it's going to be comfortable. So I love Reiss when it comes to their really good staples, especially their trousers. I wanted to share these because they're such a good spring find. I love the colour of denim of these jeans, and they come in petite size. So I love that Reiss now has a petite section. They have had it for a while, but when I used to work at Reiss years ago, I remember always struggling to find actual trousers that would fit me because I always had to get them tailored up. So it's so nice now that they have catered for us petite girls, because I don't have to change the length of these jeans. So I did actually go for a 6 regular in these, but I have found that all of their trousers have come big on me, that I do maybe need to size down to the 4 regular. And then also from Reiss, I got these white tailored trousers, and I have been on the hunt for a pair of white tailored shorts, which you may have seen in my Dubai vlog when I was shopping in the mall. And I've also been on the hunt for a good pair of linen style trousers, because they are such a staple that I wear all of the time. And I feel like last year I had my ones from Dish, which I've had for a few years now, but I feel like the linen in them has kind of give, and it makes it look like I'm wearing a nappy now on the bum because they've gone so loose. So I really do need a new pair. So I found these on Reiss, and the reason I went for them again was because they come in the petite size. You also can get them in regular, by the way, but these are the linen trousers, and they're a little bit thicker. If you can see up close, the material doesn't feel so thin, which I feel like will last me a little bit longer than my other ones. And it's got that structured feel, especially with the pleats running through it. And a key thing for me is that it has the belt loops. Then guys, I found my white tailored shorts. These are what I was on the hunt for the past few weeks, especially when I was running around headlessly in the Dubai mall. But these are the ones that I wanted, and they actually came back in stock in my size online. However, they only had the 8 regular, not the 6. So I do think, again, I might need to size down. But these are the white tailored shorts with the beautiful tortoiseshell buttons. I like to get these ahead of the other season, and given when it is a little bit warmer, hopefully in spring, we can start getting the legs out. And whilst I was in Dubai, I managed to go into Massimo Dutti. I had a little bit of a shop. I definitely want to go into the stores here in the UK and have a look as well. But I just picked up this really nice basic t-shirt with the cross black stitching running across the neckline and also the arms. Again, just a really great basic. You can style with jeans, you can layer a blazer over this. Just a really great t-shirt that's a little bit with a twist. So I think pieces like this, like the one with the scarf, the one with the stitching, is just a good way to have something bread and butter, but a little bit of a twist on it so you can start to elevate your outfit. And then, as I mentioned, I have actually picked up some pieces from Zara, and I was put off shopping on Zara for quite a long time. I just thought the quality wasn't there. But I did manage to find these skinny jeans. And yes, you heard it from me, you heard it from the horse's mouth. Skinny jeans are back. Why did I ever get rid of my old skinny jeans? But I managed to find a great pair on Zara. I just thought the colour of this denim is the perfect colour wash for spring. It matches with everything, and I love the fact that you can put boots over this. I have been pairing this with a lot of like my Ralph Lauren shirts, my jumpers, my cardigans. They're just really great. They're stretchy. You can see the material, so they are super comfy. Also from Zara, you may have seen me style this. This is the reversible trench, and they also have thought of all the details with the neck part here at the back, so you can obviously unbutton this and style it differently. So you can have it just with this plain cream beige colour, and I like to roll the sleeves up, as you can see, to just show pops of the check, and then you can also reverse it and have it just full check. So I just thought this was such a great 2-in-1, which is such a well-known piece in your wardrobe for spring, the most worn piece I would say. I felt this was such a great find, the fact that you've got a 2-in-1, you can create so many different outfits out of this, and I just thought I loved the colours going through it. This kind of creamier tone with the navy is just beautiful. On the subject of trench coats, I have ordered this beautiful one from Suzanne. So I had the khaki colour in the long trench last year. Again, I'll leave the picture on the screen, and it's also back in stock, so you can shop it down below. But they've now launched the crop size. So it's so nice to have a mix in your wardrobe, and they have it in the beautiful classic beige colour. However, Royal Mail currently have it lost in the post somewhere, so I'm hoping I can retrieve it back, but I really wanted to share it in this haul because I feel like you guys are going to love it. In the next few days or weeks, you'll see me styling it, as I just thought it's such a key one coming into spring, and especially transitional dressing when you do want to layer up. Hopefully you've caught up on my Bicester Village vlog, because I love a Bicester Village shop, especially ahead of the season, and I found some really great finds, including this navy cardigan, the cable knit, which I can't tell you how much I've been wearing this already. If you've been keeping up with my vlogs, you will see I style this so much, usually layered over a shirt or even just open over a shirt, which I will show you some new ones that I've been picking up. But I wanted to share this because I know it might not be the high street price, but it's such good quality, and a cable knit jumper in your wardrobe, especially as we transition, is so key. It's great to layer, to keep you warm. You can wear it over your shoulders, and I love this navy colour, and the cable knit going through it is just beautiful. I wear their jumpers so much. My cream one is probably my most worn in my wardrobe, so I also got the camel colour. And as I said, you may have seen these when I did a unboxing of what I got at Bicester, but I also wanted to share them in this haul if you're maybe new here, because I find these are such beautiful cable knit jumpers that, again, you can layer and mix and match, even if you want to wear it over your shoulders in an extra layer as it starts to get warmer, if it gets cooler in the evening. This colour is beautiful. This camel colour matches with so much. I just absolutely love the Ralph Lauren staple. I did also get this striped shirt, which has the little logo here. You can't go wrong with a pinstripe shirt when you're coming into spring. Again, I have actually styled this with the jeans from Reiss, and then I layered this over the top when it was actually a little bit of a warmer day. And now this one I also got, and you may have seen me wear this in Dubai, but I love sporty and rich. I love the fact that it's got that equestrian feel to it, and again, that country-esque inspired brand. So this is again a pinstripe blue and white shirt, but you can see this is actually a lot thinner rather than being more of a statement, and I love the fact that it's got the pocket here with the logo. So if you did want to invest in a little bit more, this is a great kind of just a blue basic shirt to have rather than a striped one, because you can't really see it from afar, but the navy mixed with the baby blue, this baby blue colour I've been loving and wearing so much. And then if you're looking for something a little bit more casual but still put together, the brand that I absolutely love and has the best buttery soft materials is Varley. We do have a few stores now here in the UK. If you do want to go in, feel the material, because it really is so lovely. I have quite a few of their tracksuits, and I love the fact that now they're having a few more chic pieces that you can wear as an everyday outfit. And I thought this cable knit vest was just beautiful with a deep V here. Again, you can tell that I'm loving my cable knit and this cream chunky feel to it. So I've actually been styling these with, again, these new in trousers from Varley, which I will show you styled together. But these need their moment because these are such a great, comfy trouser. I feel like we always kind of rely on our leggings when we want a comfy day or like tracksuit bottoms. But this is a hybrid of a tracksuit bottom and a tailored trouser. These are the soft stretch woven trousers. They have the effect of a tailored trouser, but they have the elasticated waist. They have the little button here. The colour of these are beautiful. They do come actually in a few different colours, but I went with this kind of beige brown colour because I know it's going to match with so much. This gilet vest. And this is in, again, the creamy brown colour, but they have this in this beautiful baby pink with the matching shorts. Love the quilted feel going through this and the tortoiseshell buttons. This is perfect for my country days, walking Bailey, going to the pub and just wanting that extra layer. You're walking out the door, you still want to look put together. You could layer this with the trousers, even just like a jumper underneath. There's so many ways you can mix and match this. So that is pretty much everything new in my wardrobe. I will be doing a separate video on styling spring outfits and giving you some tips and advice of how to put pieces together and items you might already have in your wardrobe. And I am very conscious, I don't want to be putting out a lot of hauls, as I am a lot more mindful when it comes to purchasing new items in my wardrobe. As you can see, a lot of these are great staples that really are good quality, that I know I can just mix and match and will last me throughout the years. Albeit I haven't really shopped on Zara that much, but I do think the jeans and the trench coat were really affordable and they're a good find. But I hope you did enjoy this haul, guys. I will link everything down below. I will also leave my size references. And just a reminder, you can obviously save 20% off with the Monica Vinader code. I will leave it on the screen. But like I said, make sure to subscribe because I'm going to be doing a lot more styling videos. So I will leave you guys here and I will see you in the next video.